super quick and cute. Like, what's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel.
Go Mariam, go Mariam, go. I said go Mariam, go Mariam, go. Go Mariam, go Mariam, go.
Stop. So I'm gonna show you guys how to style the hijab in several ways. Alright, for the first look, I'm gonna show you guys how I did this, and I used it with no pins. So you know, you could do it at 5 seconds. Literally, you could just dip to the house. If you guys are wondering, I got this black hijab from Hijabs and stuff. I don't know if you guys are familiar with them, but yeah, you could check them out. And like, I ordered like 5, and I'm like super obsessed with the quality, so you guys should check it out.
Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how I created this first look. As you can see, my hijab is folded in half, and also I have equal lengths on both sides, as you can see right now. Now I'm going to take one side of my hijab and flip it over my shoulder like so. And I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. And that is how I achieved the first look. It's super cute, and it literally took 5 seconds to do.
Yeah, on to look number 2.
Similar to the first hijab style, I'm going to have equal lengths on both sides, and I'm going to take my hijab on my right side and toss it over my left shoulder. Now to my sisters that love that chest coverage, you guys could use the dangling part of the hijab and cover it around your chest. Another hijab trick that I like to do, and I feel like looks super stylish, is if you take both sides of your hijab right below your eyes and just fold them on both sides. Just a little fold, and I feel like it looks super elegant. Girl, you're gonna thank me later. But yeah, that's another way you could style your hijab. So I feel like it's a great little way to accentuate your facial features.
So if you don't want it both flipped over, you could just literally take this one end and do it right there. I usually like flipping it over to the left of my shoulder when I do it just with one flip, if you guys want to know. But yeah,
I'm gonna let you guys know now. Look number 3 is definitely gonna have the most coverage, so if you guys are looking forward to that, then you guys could stick to this style. What I'm gonna do now is create a longer and shorter side, and I'm just gonna do that by moving my scarf to my right. After that, I'm going to take my hijab and use it to frame my face by holding it on both sides of my face and meeting it towards my chin. And now I'm going to wrap around the longer side, and you guys could tell it slipped out of my hand because, you know, it'd be hard sometimes, but it's super easy. So I'm going to, you know, wrap it around my head like so. And if you guys are wondering how to get that bump to disappear, if you guys are wrapping it around, you just move it around. Once I reach to my jawline, that's where I'm going to tuck the hijab, and there you have it. Since I had the longer side, that I'm gonna use that to create a drapery over my shoulder and just toss it over my shoulder, and that's the finished look. If you guys don't want excess material like that, you could just have equal sides. But yeah, there you have it, and it's super secured. Your hijab is secured. Last but not least now is my go-to, you guys. Literally what I do is make sure I have equal lengths on both sides of my hijab, and I take one end and wrap it around my neck, and that's it. That's the finished look. I just move it around to get it into my liking, and there you have it. And girl, won't you look cute at the end?
alright, so those were a few of the ways that I wear my hijab, and as you can see, all the styles are different, and you know, it's a way of rocking your hijab. So hijab doesn't just have to be something boring, you know. So you could do you by rocking different styles, sort of like how there are different hairstyles, you know, with straightened hair and curly hair. You could do the same thing with hijab, and that's where I find the beauty in it. So you could always express yourself with the hijab. never feel discouraged on, you know, rocking your hijab. You know, it's part of your identity. And I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. So yeah, if you guys really like this video, please feel free to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.